Preventive electrical maintenance protocol is designed to establish a comprehensive electrical safety plan that ensures the proper operation and safety of the electrical system. The scope includes electrical panel boards and overcurrent protective devices, cord-connected loads, extension cords, motors, and other electrical equipment. Responsibilities are divided between the Electrical Administration Company, which performs regular electrical inspections and maintenance, and the maintenance worker, who conducts preventive maintenance checks as outlined in the protocol. The procedures involve monthly inspections, quarterly inspections, and annual inspections. For monthly inspections, visual inspection should be performed. Check for damaged or loose cords, cables, and connections. Inspect panel boards and overcurrent protective devices for signs of overheating, damage, or nuisance tripping. Also, test all ground fault circuit interrupter receptacles to ensure proper operation. Then test extension cords for continuity to identify any breaks or shorts. For quarterly inspections, thermal readings should be taken. Use a thermal imaging camera or infrared thermometer to check for elevated temperatures at electrical connections, overcurrent protective devices, and motors. Also, perform a general inspection by looking at all cord-connected loads for potential hazards such as frayed cords, loose plugs, or damaged equipment. For annual inspections, a comprehensive electrical inspection should be completed by a licensed electrician from the Electrical Administration Company to identify any potential electrical hazards or deficiencies. Other considerations involve training, documentation, and corrective actions. Ensure that the maintenance worker is properly trained on the preventive maintenance procedures and the potential hazards associated with electrical equipment. Maintain detailed records of all inspections and maintenance work performed. Address any deficiencies or potential hazards identified during inspections promptly. Regarding non-electrical trade persons performing inspections, they can perform certain preventive maintenance tasks such as visual inspections, ground fault circuit interrupter tests, and continuity tests. However, it is important to ensure that they are properly trained and supervised by a qualified electrician. Thermal readings should be performed by trained personnel with the appropriate specialized equipment. Here are some additional tips. Firstly, establish a schedule for inspections and maintenance based on the frequency of use and criticality of the electrical equipment. Secondly, encourage employees to report any electrical issues or concerns to the maintenance department promptly. Thirdly, create a system for tracking and addressing electrical safety concerns and deficiencies. Regularly review and update the electrical safety protocol as needed to ensure its effectiveness. In more detail, let's consider the elements of preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is a proactive approach to maintaining electrical systems designed to prevent failures, reduce downtime, and ensure safety. It involves regular inspections, tests, and maintenance tasks performed on electrical equipment and systems. This helps to identify and address potential problems before they lead to equipment failure or safety hazards. Firstly, visual inspections are a fundamental part of any preventive maintenance program. This involves carefully examining electrical equipment and systems for any signs of damage, wear, or deterioration. During visual inspections, look for things like frayed or damaged cords and cables, loose connections, signs of overheating such as discoloration or melting, and any other visible defects. These inspections can often be performed by trained maintenance personnel. Secondly, testing ground fault circuit interrupters is crucial for ensuring electrical safety, especially in areas where there is a risk of exposure to moisture, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor locations. Ground fault circuit interrupters are designed to quickly interrupt the flow of electricity if a ground fault is detected, preventing electrical shocks. Ground fault circuit interrupter receptacles should be tested monthly to ensure that they are functioning properly. This can be done by pressing the test button on the receptacle and verifying that the receptacle trips. If the ground fault circuit interrupter does not trip, it should be replaced immediately. Thirdly, continuity testing is used to verify the integrity of electrical circuits and conductors. This involves using a multimeter to check for a continuous path for electricity to flow through a circuit. Continuity tests are particularly useful for identifying breaks or shorts in extension cords, cables, and wiring. To perform a continuity test, disconnect the power to the circuit and use a multimeter to check the resistance between 2 points in the circuit. A low resistance reading indicates continuity, while a high resistance reading indicates a break in the circuit. Fourthly, thermal imaging is a non-destructive testing method that uses infrared cameras to detect temperature differences in electrical equipment and systems. Thermal imaging can be used to identify hotspots, which are areas of elevated temperature that may indicate loose connections, overloaded circuits, or other potential problems. Thermal imaging surveys should be performed quarterly or annually, depending on the criticality of the electrical equipment. Thermal imaging should be performed by trained personnel with the appropriate specialized equipment. In addition to these basic preventive maintenance tasks, there are also a number of other inspections and tests that should be performed on a regular basis. These include inspecting panel boards and overcurrent protective devices for signs of overheating, damage, or nuisance tripping. Overcurrent protective devices, such as circuit breakers and fuses, are designed to protect electrical circuits from overloads and short circuits. These devices should be inspected regularly to ensure that they are functioning properly. Look for signs of overheating, such as discoloration or melting, and check for any nuisance tripping, which may indicate a problem with the circuit. Also, inspect all cord-connected loads for potential hazards, such as frayed cords, loose plugs, or damaged equipment. Cord-connected loads such as appliances, tools, and equipment should be inspected regularly for any signs of damage or wear. Pay close attention to the cords and plugs, as these are often the most vulnerable parts of the equipment. Look for frayed cords, loose plugs, and any other visible defects. Comprehensive electrical inspections should be performed by a licensed electrician on an annual basis. These inspections should include a thorough examination of all electrical equipment and systems, as well as testing of critical components. The electrician should also provide recommendations for any necessary repairs or upgrades. Training is an essential component of any preventive maintenance program. Maintenance personnel should be properly trained on the preventive maintenance procedures and the potential hazards associated with electrical equipment. This training should include both classroom instruction and hands-on training. Proper documentation is also essential for effective preventive maintenance. Detailed records should be maintained of all inspections and maintenance work performed. These records should include the date of the inspection, the findings of the inspection, and any corrective actions taken. Finally, it is important to address any deficiencies or potential hazards identified during inspections promptly. This may involve repairing or replacing damaged equipment, correcting wiring errors, or upgrading electrical systems. By addressing these issues promptly, you can prevent equipment failure, reduce downtime, and ensure safety. To recap, preventive electrical maintenance is a critical aspect of ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical systems in any facility. A well-structured preventive maintenance program can help to identify and address potential problems before they lead to equipment failure, downtime, or safety hazards. Such a program should encompass visual inspections, ground fault circuit interrupter testing, continuity testing, and thermal imaging, as well as regular inspections of panel boards, overcurrent protective devices, and core-connected loads. The responsibilities for carrying out these tasks should be clearly defined, with qualified personnel assigned to each task. Training is essential to ensure that maintenance personnel are competent and aware of the potential hazards associated with electrical equipment. Detailed records of all inspections and maintenance work performed should be maintained to track the effectiveness of the program and identify any recurring issues. In addition to the technical aspects of preventive maintenance, it is also important to foster a culture of safety within the organization. Employees should be encouraged to report any electrical issues or concerns to the maintenance department promptly. A system should be in place for tracking and addressing electrical safety concerns and deficiencies. The electrical safety protocol should be regularly reviewed and updated to ensure its effectiveness. By implementing a comprehensive preventive maintenance program and fostering a culture of safety, organizations can significantly reduce the risk of electrical accidents, equipment failure, and downtime. This not only protects employees and assets but also contributes to improved productivity and profitability. The frequency of preventive maintenance tasks should be determined based on the criticality of the electrical equipment and the environment in which it is operating. Equipment that is critical to the operation of the facility or that is located in a harsh environment may require more frequent maintenance. Also, the manufacturer's recommendations for maintenance should be followed. Preventive maintenance should be performed by qualified personnel. Qualified personnel are those who have the necessary training and experience to perform the task safely and effectively. Electrical work should be performed by licensed electricians. Maintenance personnel should be trained on the preventive maintenance procedures and the potential hazards associated with electrical equipment. The electrical safety protocol should be reviewed and updated regularly. The review should include an assessment of the effectiveness of the protocol and any changes that are needed to improve its effectiveness. The protocol should be updated as necessary to reflect changes in the electrical system, the environment, or the applicable codes and standards. Electrical safety is everyone's responsibility. By working together, we can create a safe and healthy work environment.